Let's learn IIB. Today, I will show you how to create consumer policy set bindings. Using it and security profile, we will populate SOAP request message with username and password. Why use WA security? Without going into too much detail, these features, authentication, confidentiality, integrity, message expiry, are the major reasons why we use WA security. Our goal is to create this message flow and invoke SOAP hello and invoke say hello SOAP web service operation. On invoking the operation, username and password stored in the broker registry should be populated in WA security field of SOAP header by IIB. We do not want to hardcode the password in eSQL. Open policy sets from toolkit and create a new consumer policy for SOAP request node. You will not have access to do the same in production server. Let me know in comments if you want me to explain the command line option with Jenkins maybe. Reply in comments. Create consumer policy, rename it and add WA security as shown on screen. If you are happy with the default setting, then let's move ahead and create policy set bindings. Create and rename bindings. Associate policy set to bindings. Remember, our goal is to invoke a SOAP service operation, which means we use SOAP request node. So select consumer as shown on screen. Refer my GitHub page or source code, link in description. I would suggest that you follow video and create flow, eSQL and other configurations from scratch. This will lead to multiple errors. Errors are good. You will learn more solving errors. You can contact me at my mailing address if you need any help. Email address in description. If you drag and drop WSDL, toolkit creates a subflow as shown and will link it to message flow. Save credentials in broker registry using MKSSL DB params. Use command line for security profile, or you can also use web GUI to create security profile as shown here. Modify bar file such that the flow uses policy, bindings and security profile. eSQL compute node is simple. We just populate SOAP body. Notice that the SOAP headers are not populated by compute node. The SOAP project called Hello World version 1 is available in my GitHub page. Link in description. If the SOAP service is deployed on your machine, you can take it into debug and view the SOAP headers populated with credentials by IIB registry. If the SOAP service is from a vendor organization, then you cannot use debug feature. Use TCP monitor, Wireshark or similar tools to capture network packets. Request and SOAP structure are logged in TCP monitor. When you format the XML, you can clearly see the credentials sent over the network to vendor organization SOAP service. What did we learn today? We learned how to safely store username password in broker registry. We learned about consumer policy set and web service security. We learned about TCP monitor to view the underlying IIB actions on SOAP header. If you found the video to be useful, subscribe to my channel and share your feedback in the comment section. Code is available in GitHub and some documentation is available in the blog post. Links in description. See you in the next video.